Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very easy and simple DIY. We're going to be making tie backs for curtains. We're going to be using some ornaments from Dollar Tree, a ribbon that I bought at Walmart, a glue gun, and some scissors. So first I started off by cutting the ribbon, but before I cut the ribbon I first had measured it around the curtains. That way I know how long I needed them to be, that way I didn't cut them too short or too long. Next, I'm going to grab my ornament and I'm going to take one side apart. That way it's not too bulky and it's easier to glue onto the ribbon. Next, all you're going to do is grab your glue gun and glue the snowflake onto the ribbon. And you're just going to repeat the same process for however many tie backs you're going to be making. Here I'm going to be making a total of 4, so I'm going to repeat the same steps another 3 times. Once you're completely done, all you have to do is just tie them to your curtains, and that is it. This is very nice, very easy, very simple, and very economical. You can use any color ribbon that you'd like, any item. You can use flowers, you can use different color snowflakes. There's a lot of things that you can use to stick onto your ribbons and hang on your curtains to make them look really nice. So this is just an idea of what you can do, very easy and economical like I said. So I really hope you liked it, and let me know what you guys think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you guys soon.